Hey everyone! Today we'll be discussing some simple but very effective ways to keep your body healthy and your mind sharp that will all help promote healthier and faster growing hair. These are some things that you haven't thought about before, especially how they affect your hair health. Yeah, not what you'd expect. This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
Playing dominoes can be helpful for your health in several ways. First, it helps to keep your mind active and engaged. Puzzles like dominoes can help enhance cognitive function and memory, both of which are crucial for keeping good health as you age. Second, playing dominoes can be a great way to relieve stress and relax. The slow, methodical nature of the game can help to calm your nerves and lower your blood pressure. And lastly, playing dominoes can be a gentle form of exercise that can help to improve your balance and coordination. Sure, olive oil has some health benefits. But when you cook with it at high temperatures, those benefits start to disappear. In fact, cooking with olive oil at high temperatures can in fact produce some unhealthy compounds that can amplify your risk of disease, which harm your cells and cause inflammation in your body. Cherry is a fruit that is thought to be useful to one's health, due to the fact that cherries are rich in antioxidants and vitamins, both of which can aid in the strengthening of the immune system. Cherries are also a low-calorie fruit, which makes them a wonderful option for those who are watching their weight. Additionally, cherries contain fiber, which can help to promote digestive health. If you're having trouble sleeping, cutting out alcohol at night may help. Alcohol can make it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep, so avoiding it in the evening can lead to better sleep. Plus, alcohol is a diuretic, so it can cause you to wake up in the night to make use of the bathroom. Of course, moderate alcohol consumption through the day isn't likely to disrupt sleep. But if you find that drinking affects your sleep, it's best to avoid it in the evening and opt for other drinks instead.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun. So let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time!